Welcome to our channel, guys. Today is the day. TCM tuning is now available for the C8 platform.
The transmission control module.
Guys, we can now tune the transmission in your C8 Corvette. What does that mean? Let's get into the details.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late Model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, I want to first thank HP Tuners for reaching out to us and having the confidence in Late Model Racecraft to help develop the T46 Service. For those of you that don't know, T46 is the TCM that is in these C8 platforms. So guys, when they reached out to me about a month ago, I honestly thought it was a joke at first. I was like, is this real? Like, is there really a possibility that TCM tuning is on the horizon? And they were like, yes, we really need your help from a hardware standpoint and from a software standpoint. We know you have a whole bunch of C8 Corvettes that you build every single day that you have at your disposal. So we're contacting you to help us get this off the ground and to make sure it works properly. And guys, again, I was laughing because I did not think it was true until finally I realized it really was true. I was like, yes, we have actually one of every single platform, which is what they want, because each vehicle has different operating systems. So we literally, the day they called, we had a ZR1, we had a Z06, obviously we have Stingrays at our disposal, as well as E-Rays at our disposal. So from day one when they called, we've been on this nonstop every day to make sure that every single platform, we could actually pull the files properly, actually read them, and the tables are all labeled correctly, and we can actually modify them and load them back into the TCMs, and they actually function properly, which I know sounds funny to some of you guys, but it takes a lot of software engineers to make this stuff work properly. It is not very easy and very basic stuff. So with that being said, in the nutshell, guys, again, we can now do what we want to do to your C8 transmission. We can fully tune them now. It is unbelievable. Again, and we're releasing this today with HP Tuners that you can now send us your TCM or send us your C8 Corvette, and we were able to fully build it with the ECM as well as the TCM. So let's get into the details of the different vehicles we have here, what mods we have done to them very briefly, and then how TCM improved that platform and took it to that next level. So back in 2020, when the C8 platform first came out, we went crazy with the build. We did a twin turbo, 1500 horsepower Stingray actually, and that car went into the 8s doing wheelies. It ran phenomenal, but we had no transmission tuning, guys. So if I could go back to that vehicle in that day with the software and the hardware that I have now, that 8-second pass, it literally went through the traps coasting at 1,000 foot because the clutch was slipping so bad down the track. It was absolutely horrible, but still went an 8-second pass, waist high wheelie, really cool. But if I could have tuned the transmission, it would have been so much quicker, shifted so much better. It would have been absolutely phenomenal. So with that being said, guys, that was an extreme build. Again, 1,500 horsepower car, we were only using like 1,000 because of the tuning. We couldn't tune to get the clutch to work properly. So it just shows you guys an extreme level of how bad I've wanted this to be available, and now it is. So moving on, C8 Z06 sitting here, guys. This is one of our twin turbo packages. I can now successfully say this thing is a fully tuned ECM and TCM from a twin turbo C8 Z06. This thing can now safely make over 900 rear wheel horsepower on the street and shift absolutely phenomenal. Again, we can now raise the shift points. We can now raise the rev limiter. So on these cars, guys, even if it's I know this is a twin turbo one, but for naturally aspirated platforms, just by being able to raise the rev limiter and raise the shift point, you'll probably gain another 30 to 50 horsepower by going a couple hundred RPM. It's amazing what it will do just for TCM tuning for the Z06 platform. But in this one in particular, for this twin turbo one, over 900 rear wheel horsepower, and it runs and drives like a factory vehicle. It's now, I call it just like, it's a ZR1 essentially with a Z06 body on it. It is a phenomenal platform. So moving on, again, different operating systems for each platform. So we wanted to make sure as we're pulling the files that the files that we're reading are proper, everything's labeled properly in the tune file, and if there's tables missing, we get with HP tuners and ask them to find them, and then they have to give us updates, and then the new tables will show up. So again, clutch pressure, it was one of the big things when it comes to these vehicles. This is a new C8 ZR1, baseline 950 wheel, cold, about 880, 870 hot. This thing now makes over 1,200 rear wheel horsepower. Yes, it ran and drove and it shifted okay on the street. Now with the TCM tuning, this thing shifts firm as can be with 1,200 rear wheel horsepower. Again, completely different animal now that TCM tuning is available. This beautiful E-Ray sitting here is a supercharged E-Ray. It's just supercharger and a catback exhaust system. Right at, let's call it 600 rear wheel horsepower, still has the factory clutch in it, okay? This is one of the big ones, was to be able to show a before and after, absolutely amazing. This thing, yes, again, just like the ZR1, it would drive fine, it would shift okay and run okay at the horsepower level it's at. Once we tune the transmission, the shift, the firmness of the shifts, game changer. I mean, we had it shifting so hard, I thought like the engine mounts were gonna break on this thing. It was absolutely incredible, the difference it makes driving this thing at wide open throttle with the stock TCM tune file in it versus our aftermarket TCM tune file. Night and day. Moving on, we had a C8 Stingray here, complete titanium twin turbo kit. This thing turned out absolutely beautiful. This one actually makes, I wanna say, 650 rear wheel horsepower. So this is a perfect example of why this TCM tuning is so important. This one was sold an aftermarket clutch. When we start making over 600 rear wheel horsepower on these cars, just because every car is a little bit different, we can't guarantee that they're all gonna shift perfect because we couldn't tune them. We sold this customer a clutch. So he has a clutch and a twin turbo kit making 650 to the wheels. Now with tuning available, we can, again, change the shift points. So when normal driving, it will stay at the RPM we want it to. So when he steps on the gas, it doesn't downshift 4 times and goes. It stays in the power band. Same with the shift point at wide open throttle. We can raise the shift point to raise a couple hundred RPM more. And then again, back to the clutch. Now with the aftermarket clutch in it and with tuning, shifting is not a problem at all. He can actually, with more fueling, turn this car up even more. And now, again, the clutch is no longer the Achilles heel that it's been for the past 6 years on all these platforms. The clutch has been the Achilles heel. So now we can give it more clutch pressure. Again, shift points is a big thing, shift RPM, and here's another Stingray as well. So this one, guys, is from Texas Speed. So when HP Tuners reached out, they asked us, hey, obviously, how many do you have? How many can you send us? How quickly can we start working with you on this development process? So, like I said, we sent one of each. They also said, hey, Texas Speed has their new engine, their new platform available for the C8. Do you mind helping them out when it comes to tuning the ECM as well as the TCM? Of course, I know the guys over there very well. I said, of course I will. So they brought their vehicle over here, and this is, again, another perfect example of why the TCM tuning is so important. This is a naturally aspirated 427 cubic inch engine, has headers on it, exhaust on it. It sounds amazing. Very large camshaft, right? So this thing at idle is chopping like crazy. When you go to drive this thing with a stock TCM file in it, I'm just gonna give an example, I'll just range. This thing will shift 1 to 2, let's say at 7 miles an hour, 2 to 3 at 15 miles an hour. You'll be in 5th or 6th gear by like 30 miles an hour. When you're going 30 miles an hour in 6th gear at a low RPM, with this large of a camshaft, no matter how good you get the fueling, you're gonna feel some cam surge, some bucking, right? Now that we can tune the transmission for cars with big camshafts in them, just like we do with all the 10 speeds and all the 8 speeds from the previous generations, we can now fully tune it to hold the gear longer. So this thing, instead of cruising, again, let's say at 8th gear at 50 miles an hour, it can be at 4th gear cruising, if that makes sense. So you have higher RPM, and again, just like I talked about with the twin turbo C8 over there, it'll be in its power band for when you go to step on the throttle it won't downshift 5 gears and take off. It might downshift, 1 gear or 2 gears, but this one's mainly about the drivability because of how big the camshaft is. Being able to hold that gear longer, again, keeping it in 3rd gear longer, keeping it in 4th gear longer, not letting it go to the overdrive gears and having it be at low RPM where it's gonna wanna buck. That was a game changer on making this car drive, again, like a street car should, an enjoyable street car. Before, with a stock TCM in it, we can get the ECM tuned everything that we wanted to, make it happy, get the horsepower we want out of it, but because we couldn't tell it when to shift, we can only do so much. So the car of this caliber, again guys, this is a very large camshaft, very big engine, you would feel the cam surge. So it wouldn't be the best daily driver, or a car sitting in traffic would not be fun to drive. Now that we've tuned it, no problem. Drive it every day, go downtown, sit in traffic for an hour, it's perfect. So for those of you at home thinking, hey, if you have a C8 Corvette, what do I need to do? Guys, reach out to us at Late Model Racecraft. There's only so many people that can do the ECMs and do the TCM. So even if you're another shop and you have one of these in your facility and need help, you can ship us the ECM, you can ship us the TCM. We can take care of the full service as far as getting everything you need to be able to have everything you need at your disposal for the ECM as well as the TCM. So again, I want to thank HP Tuners and allowing us to R&D this platform. It was so much fun. Again, I've been itching for this for years because again, I'm used to buying the newest Corvette, R&Ding it, setting a world record, and going crazy with it, and then move on to the next. Well, this one, I felt like I've always had one arm tied behind my back this entire time. Now, both arms are here, and we can set these things to the moon. So no matter what you want to do with your C8, whether you have a ZR1, a Z06, an E-Ray, a Stingray, no matter what you want to do, we have you covered. So again, guys, go to Late Model Racecraft, go to our website. If you like this video, guys, as always, comment below if you have any questions. I'll try to answer any questions you might have. And again, stay with us, guys. Follow our channel because these cars that I just showed you, you're going to see these things ripping on the street, dyno videos, and then even some track use. So stay tuned for future video, guys. Until next time.
Yeah.